Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to change Roblox display name on your mobile. First thing is download the mobile, download the app from your Play Store or App Store depending on if you're using iOS or an Android phone or device. The next thing you're going to do is open it up after signing in with your credentials. Now from the home menu here, what you're going to do is that at the bottom here you have some options: home, chat, avatar, party and more. Tap on more, then scroll down till you see profile. Tap on profile, you can see what we have on profile, but this is not what we're looking for. So scroll down until you see settings. So tap on settings, then you can see account information. Tap on account information. As you can see, when we tapped on profile, we couldn't change our display name, so you have to go through account information to change your display name. Then you see display name here, so you tap on this pencil or pen icon and then you can now change it. Please note that your display name can only be changed once every 7 days. After changing, you certify your change, then tap on save. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already, please, and hit the notification bell so you can keep getting updates immediately our videos are released. Thanks for watching.